Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going for a little bit of a stroll up the side of Mt Gravatt on the south side of Brisbane. A lot of people not even aware there's walking trails on Mt Gravatt. Some people don't even know there is a Mt Gravatt. They think it's just the suburb, but it's a pretty little walk. It has a lookout above and it also has a cafe there. And there are numerous little routes you can take on this walk. In fact, there's an old gold mine on this mountain as well. We won't be going there today. It's on the other side of where I'm at, but I might actually do a video, go check out the old gold mine, the abandoned mine. But for today, let's go for a bit of a walk up the northern side of Mt Gravatt. And we'll get all the way up to the lookout and check it all out. So let's get it all happening, people. And Mt Gravatt actually has koalas, so keep an eye out. Morning.
Lots of koalas out today.
Lots of koalas?
Yeah, we've seen 5.
Oh really?
Yeah,
wow.
if you keep on the track, you'll see on the dirt people have put a big arrow.
Oh yeah?
A big arrow. If you have a look at the general direction and you kind of have a look, you'll see them.
Oh wonderful. Yeah, I've been up here about 15 years and never seen one.
Really?
Really?
Oh wow, well they're everywhere.
Wow, thanks. Well, I've just been told there's quite a few koalas around today. So, and you probably heard me say to the lady, I've been walking up here for about 15 years, never seen a koala. Okay, we're back onto, or actually just started onto the actual walking track now. So, hope I don't trip. I'm going to be looking up for koalas most of the time. Well, pretty high already. I can see through the trees the city. We'll get a good view once we get to the lookout in the cafe on the top. Morning, Mr. Kookaburra. About halfway up, still haven't seen a koala. Lady reckons she saw about 5 along the trail, so I'm hoping they're all a bit further along, because I haven't seen any. I mustn't have my koala eyes on today. Nice rocks. If you're a frequent visitor to my channel, you know I have a thing for big rocks, and these are pretty cool. Beautiful ferns. We got 65 meters to go to get to the Mt Gravatt lookout, so let's go. Still haven't seen a koala. What I'll do once we get to the top and have a look at the lookout, I will finish this video, but on the way back I'll take a bit of time to see if I can actually locate these elusive koala bears. Right now we're coming up out of the walk into the actual top of the mountain, and we're going to come up to the car park and to the lookout and cafe. So so at the top of the lookout, you probably won't see it that well, but it's actually a pretty good view of the city. And we have Lovewell, which is a cafe here, and if we continue on around here, you've got a little cool little area for the kids, lounge chairs. It's all pretty cool there, isn't it? Swings, and over there you've got your big towers for Telstra, and it looks like they're building a new biggie here as well, under construction. So Mt Gravatt itself, its traditional owner's name is Kagamabu or someplace like that, means place of echidna. We're right here. Mt Gravatt lookout, and we may go back. We actually came this way. We followed that track all the way around and up to here. We may actually go back down this track and then turn left, and it takes you around here and joins back onto this track and brings me back to the car park. I think we might go back that way. We'll add about another 1.5 kilometers to the walk, but I'm only going to do it just in the hope we see a koala bear, just for you guys. Let's go. So we're back at this little T-junction, and we'll turn left, but we're not going to go to Tarragindi. We're actually in Tui Forest. We're going to follow down here, and there is a road that will, or track that goes to the left and winds me back. Oh, and I just saw an arrow on the ground, and the lady was telling me if you see the arrow, look in the direction and you'll see a koala. And yes, I can see that koala. May not be able to see that, but there's a koala there. So we got to see one koala. I don't know if it actually turned out very well. Hello, Mr. Magpie. What are you up to? Okay, we're now coming down to a really cool little creek section, and I've never ever seen water in this creek, but I think I can hear some water flowing because we've been having lots of rain in Brisbane over the last week or so, and I think it's actually got some water in it. Well, that's cool. Beautiful. Like I said, I've been walking in this little forest for over 15 years. I've never seen water flowing in here. So that's a nice thing. If I get myself down here without falling over, we've got a little waterfall. How cool is that? Okay, let's keep going. Well everyone, that's the Mt Gravatt little walking trail. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. And hopefully when I get home and do some editing on this video, I can get a close-up of that koala bear that we saw. I hope I can do that. Anyway, this is like 3/4 of the hiking trails here on Mt Gravatt. I'm not sure if you know, but there's an old mine here on Mt Gravatt. I didn't go to it today, but I might come back and take a little wander down to the old mine and make a little video of that in the future as well. So anyway, we'll keep it at that. Thanks for watching once again. Please subscribe to my channel, and look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.